Hey there, my name is Vaughn, and I'm actually not a marketer. If you can't tell from my scruffy appearance, I'm actually a software engineer. But for the last 5 years, I've been the sole person that's actually been in charge for sales and marketing and revenue generation at the company that I started about 5 years ago. That's a software engineering firm called Tier 5. For the first 3 years that we were in business, what we did is we sold software engineering services to other software firms, and that was pretty easy. And about 2 years ago, I decided to switch business models and move into a product based model instead of a service based model and start selling SaaS software that we developed on our own. And at first, it was really, really hard for me to gain traction and generate revenue. That is until I was reading a book and I learned the number one thing that all the elite marketers actually attribute to the predictable revenue growth of their company. Once I learned this one thing, it was pretty much over from there. I've been able to actually grow my company in a very predictable way for literally the last 15 months because of this one thing that I learned. Every business, every entrepreneur really needs this one thing if they want to have predictable revenue growth inside their company. So if you want to have predictable revenue growth inside your company, you really need this one thing. And the sad part is most people don't know what it is, and the people who do know what it is, most of them don't know how to actually implement it inside their own business. But the ones that do, the people who understand this one thing and they know how to implement it in their business, those are the people at the top of the game that you see growing their business every day and having predictable revenue growth. So if you'd like to be one of those people and you'd like to have predictable revenue growth inside your company that you can actually rely on, you need this one thing. All right? So if you'd like to learn what this one thing is and how to actually get it set up and implement it in your company so you can start to have predictable revenue growth. Even if you already have revenue growth and predictable revenue growth, if you want to have more predictable revenue growth, then all you have to do is put your email right in that box right down below, and I'm going to give you all the information that you need and let you understand what is the number one thing that our business model and allowed us to have predictable revenue growth and what all the elite marketers have actually implemented in their business to be able to have predictable revenue growth. So if you want to have predictable revenue growth inside your business, all you got to do is put your email right down there. You'll go into the next page and I'll tell you all about it.